this toy called Flip Flap Dragon, and I'll show you why it's called Flip Flap Dragon. But before I show you that, we can see the features. It can have a ring, so it can clip it on a pram or high chair or in your bag when you're on your go. It's made from soft materials. His ears made from soft hair and silky from inside. His tummy made from another soft material, so it's very good for baby sensory. His feet have that noise, and they are made from silky materials. So, and why does they call it a Flip Flap Dragon? It is this. So as you can see, it's not just flapping his wings, but it also makes some noise, which is bring your baby to attention, and he will or she will love it. So, and this is Flip Flap Dragon from LAMAZE.